In this video, I'm about to show you how to wire transfer to interactive brokers. First, go to Transfers and Pay and select Transfer Fund. Alternatively, click Menu in the top left corner and choose Transfer and Pay, then Transfer Funds. If you have multiple accounts, the account selector will open. Then, select the desired account and click Continue to proceed. Next, select Deposit Funds. Then choose to use a new deposit method and select Bank Wire. You will be prompted to decide whether to save your bank information for further use by selecting Yes or No. Enter the sending institution and account nickname. The account number field is optional. Afterward, enter the deposit amount in the Deposit Amount section. If you want to set up a recurring transaction, check the box and fill in the necessary details like the name, frequency, and start date. If you don't want a recurring deposit, leave the box unchecked. Finally, click Get Wire Instructions to submit your deposit notifications. You will receive instructions for completing the wire transfer with your bank. To check the status of your deposit, click View Transaction History or select Make a Deposit to initiate another transfer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.